So in our session today, we shall be understanding about the synapse analytics activities. So we shall be understanding how to create the synapse workspace, and then we'll be understanding about dedicated pools, dedicated SQL pools, as well as Apache Spark pools. Well, let's do it carefully. Pool is nothing but a warehouse, okay? Remember, a pool is nothing but a warehouse, something like that. So we need to provide the pool size, warehouse size, and we have to also pay per pool. We say performance levels, we say DWs, we call it. Either data warehouse or nodes, NODE, node in Spark, whereas a regular dedicated pool inside SQL server, we call it as warehouse, DW, and compute nodes we call compute power. Let's understand carefully one by one. A simple and straightforward concept. Go to resource. To create the pools, we require a synapse workspace. Go to create resource. Right now, as of now, say assume your resources are empty. Let me remove all the resources to make it clear and simple. Assume nothing is there in your resources, it's plain blank. Now click on add. Just click on add and type there Synapse. You get Azure Synapse Analytics. A simple straightforward process. Click on create. Just click on create. Once you click on create, then resource group. You can give a new resource group or choose existing resource group. I'll say for now new resource group as Synapse Analytics, because inside this resource group we need to place different components like pools, dedicated pools, Apache Spark pools, etc. For now, give analytics, give some resource group name. Manage resource group name can be empty, leave it as it is, or give any name of your choice. Workspace name. So I'll say workspace, Synapse workspace. I'll take it as Synapse workspace. Region. Give the required region like this. Provide the account name. Here we require data lake gen 2. So create a new resource. I'll say SQL school ADLS gen 2. Give some name, any name is fine. And create a container. I'll say gen 2 container. Give some name like this. So we require this gen 2 account to store the metadata and assign the required permissions like this. To access the Synapse workspace, because we can have a dedicated URL to access the Synapse workspace. I'll put this way. The URL is web.azure synapse.net/us. This is a separate secondary login or a secondary account to login. So to get into this particular account, it may ask you for the user ID password. So go to security, admin name, and give the required password like this. So what's the purpose of this username password?
Hold on
Yes,
now.
see here is
Just
prompting
because
for
it might feel like it's a
credentials,
whirlwind,
right?
both figuratively and
So
literally,
these credentials
that
can be
doesn't mean
provided.
it isn't a tourist-friendly country. And more
I
importantly,
mean,
a trip to India won't cost you
next
as
level.
nearly as much as you think.
Once you get this workspace, the workspace can be accessible directly
But
from the
first,
portal
you didn't think I'd talk
or
about
a
India and not
dedicated
mention the
URL,
majestic Taj Mahal, did you? This famous Indian
web.azure-synapse.net.
landmark has been one of the 7 wonders of the
It will
world for
prompt you
quite
for
some
the
time. And
credentials
seeing this architectural marvel in
to
person
perform the
makes it
data
pretty
warehouse
clear why.
activities.
The construction was commissioned in 1632,
So there we
and it's
require
believed
the
that it took
login
up to 21 years
credentials,
to complete the
admin
entire
password.
project. I know you've
For
heard
now,
of this monument,
create.
but
Just
did you
simply
know
say
that it's a
create.
mausoleum? Yeah,
So
the
basics,
emperor at the time,
that includes
Shah
basics
Jahan,
planning. The
had this
basics
marble
tab
structure built
includes
to house the tomb of his wife,
resource group,
Mumtaz Mahal.
okay,
Kinda sad
resource
she never
group,
got to see this ivory masterpiece
and
built just for her.
a Gen2 account, and some workspace name
Since
and
we're on the
location.
topic, here's a fun fact.
Security.
There was an infamous Indian
Per
architect
terabyte
who
estimated
repeatedly
cost
showed different landmarks,
360 INR
including the Taj Mahal and the
for
Pyramids.
serverless.
He was arrested as many as 9 times,
Additionally,
but somehow managed to
this one
escape.
workspace, okay, workspace is serverless
During his
workspace.
final escape,
Additionally,
already 84 years old,
we need to
he thought
pay
he was breaking the law.
per hour
That's kind of
for
impressive.
pools. We'll take it next. So remember, this is not the complete cost, okay? This is not the complete cost. This is only the initial setup cost
Like the Taj Mahal.
for the workspace. And now click create. It would take 2 to 3 minutes. Your workspace will be created. Just 2 to 3 minutes and your workspace will be created. While it is going on, let's put this way. While it is going on, let's have the